There are two functions in Excel that trim and clean data. The trim function trims out spaces from text. In these cells, I have used the trim function to trim out the spaces from the beginning or the end of the text, as well as spaces in between words are trimmed out to one space. So use the trim function to trim out spaces from your text. There is another function called clean, which is used to clean out unprinted characters from text. Here in this case, if I expand the formula bar, I have used Alt Enter to insert line breaks. And in this cell, I have used the clean function to clean them out. Sometimes we have formulae like this one, which return unprintable characters. So if I copy it and value paste it, it has converted the text into multiple line text in the formula bar. So if I use a clean function and then copy the text and value paste it, it cleans that character and gives me one line of text. These unprintable characters are not the same as a space character. So if I value paste it again, this formula will get converted into its value. In the cell, it shows a space character, whereas in the formula bar, it shows a line break character. So what you see is not what you get. And if this is the situation, then your VLOOKUP functions will not work. So here, for example, I have taken this VLOOKUP and I'm looking up value from these two cells. If you look at the text characters, they look the same, but they are not actually the same. Here, there is a space character. Here, there is a line break character. That is why the VLOOKUP function does not work. In fact, if we look at the code of a space character, the code is 32. And if you look at this table, which shows all the characters of that particular code, character 10 is the line break character and character 32 is the space character. They both look the same, but actually they are different. So use the clean function in such situations. So that is all about trim and clean. I hope the video was useful and I will see you in the next video.